With this ingredient, you will end your gray hair problems and alopecia in 10 days. Hair is one of the parts of the body that men and women do not care for as it deserves. But we must take care of it every day so that hair loss problems do not arise or avoid the delay of gray hair, two of the most common problems in men and women. The medicine has advanced and offer medical solutions, but we will recommend natural remedies with ingredients that you can get from the kitchen of your house, so you will get cheaper still. Pay attention so you know how you should treat gray hair and hair loss. Thousands of people have been amazed to discover how powerful home remedies and low prices of them. You do not have to leave your home to solve your hair problem, and the best thing is that you will feel the relief you have always sought. Both men and women can use this remedy for gray hairs. It is simply the wine vinegar powder, the one we use for digestive problems or teeth whitening, also helps us combat our problems with gray. You should only apply it to your head as if it were a shampoo, once a week, and you will see how the gray hair says goodbye. With just 1 cup of wine vinegar, mixed with your usual shampoo, you can get rid of gray hair and also your baldness problems. Especially men should try this recipe and thus end their baldness problems from their scalp. Putting on a bathing cap, you must leave this remedy in your hair. Once you rinse, the hair can get a little hard, but do not worry, applying a little lemon juice, your hair will be shiny and manageable. Apply this solution once a week for at least 3 weeks and forget about your gray hair and baldness problems.